Hello my dear traders, I hope you are having an amazing day today guys. So today we'll trade using a chatbot with artificial intelligence. The name of this bot is ChatGPT Plus Trader Bot. I want to remind you that I found this chatbot on the internet and I saw how one blogger was trading with it, and that's how I decided to use it also. I filmed videos about this chatbot and I saw that you guys enjoyed such videos. That's why I decided to trade again with it. And also, yeah, guys, I want to remind you the way I trade using this chatbot. So first of all, we are going to conduct technical analysis. Then I will ask the signals from this chatbot, guys, because I want to higher percentage of my profit, right? And yeah, if for example it contradicts to each other, then I will skip such situations. And yeah, I think that's pretty simple, and I hope you understood already how I plan to trade today, guys. And yeah, I hope that you will be interested in that and watch this video till the end, because you can see how I use the signals of this chatbot and technical analysis. By the way, the link will be down below in case you are interested. This chatbot, by the way, totally for free, and you also can use it and trade with that. Anyway guys, let's get started. And I found already the first entry point. So yeah, guys, as you can see on the top, we have a support level. Also, after touching the level, we see that there was a pullback, and after that, it got closer to the level again. The main price lows are getting higher, and we can see that I have now selected the Euro USD currency pair. Guys, now let's go to the Telegram channel, to the bot, and click Get a Signal button. After that, the bot sends us a list of currency pairs to choose from. We find the currency pair we need and click on it. And here the bot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes to buy. Okay, I switched to the Quotex platform, guys, set the time to 5 minutes and press the green button. Thus, the bot assumes that an upward movement is expected in the near future. And as you can see, guys, I also think that in the near future, the price will move to the resistance level, because the price has a good potential to go up. Guys, on this movement, we will try to earn money. Also, guys, the bot always sends us signals for a period of 5 minutes, and that's why we have to take it into account. It's very important, because I also think about it while I analyze the market. And guys, it is in this situation that it is likely that the price may move in the consolidation zone. Also, of course, a downward pullback may occur. Considering all these movements, I think 5 minutes here will be totally enough for us. Even if this level is not broken in the near future, then at least the price will at least continue to move up to the resistance level. Guys, let's wait for our first deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, the price continued to move in the consolidation zone, but still the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point, which means that we are making profit here. Thus, in fact, the bot turned out to be right. Guys, it correctly suggested us a signal. So this way we are going to trade today, guys. I hope that now you already understood the logic behind it, and let's continue our trading session, guys. Alright guys, here we see that there was a downtrend. There's also a certain level of support at the bottom. The price has already broken through this level and is moving down. Guys, we also see that we have a support level, but it's not visible yet. So let's request a new signal. We find the currency pair we need, and we click on it. Okay guys, the bot offers us to open a short-term deal. I agree with the bot and click the red button. The price here really has a good downward potential. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down in the general downtrend. Guys, at least there's still a lot of space to reach the support level. it is much lower. Therefore, I think that in this situation 5 minutes will be totally enough for us. So it is on this possible downward movement that we will try to earn right now. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, that's great, my dear traders. As it seems, the price really continued to move down to the main support level, and I have managed to earn on this downward movement. At the same time, 5 minutes were most perfect for us. The trading situation has worked out perfectly. The bot turned out to be right again and suggested us a really good signal. And yeah, I guess we continue our trading session, guys. Alright, here we have a level of support. At the same time, we see that the support level is quite strong. The price has already rolled back from this zone twice. We also see that early confident green candlesticks have formed here. It is likely that a reaction will also occur from this level in the near future. That is, after downtrend, the price will push off from this zone and move up. But we also see that the price hasn't reached the support level yet. So let's go to the Telegram channel to the bot and click get a signal button. Then we'll find the currency pair we need and click on it. And as you can see, guys, here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree with the bot and click the green button. Right now, we can see that green candles are already beginning to form, and this very moment, even if the price suddenly continues to move towards the level in the near future and the reaction comes directly from the support level, after which there will be an upward pullback, then even with this development of the situation, I think 5 minutes will be quite enough for us. Guys, it is on this possible upward movement that we will try to earn now. And also, guys, it is likely that the price will start moving up right now since the support level is really quite strong. Let's wait for the outcome. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad. As you can see, the price really got into the correction zone. There was an upward pullback, and here we got a profit. This trading situation has worked out perfectly. In fact, the bot was right again. Well, so far everything is going great. Let's continue our trading session, guys. All right, we see that we have a certain level of resistance up here. We also see that there was a good confident uptrend here. At the moment, the price has reached the level and there is some kind of tightening. This means that it is likely that the resistance level may be broken in the near future. Well, now let's go to the Telegram channel to the bot and click get a signal button. Then we'll find the currency pair we need in this list and click on it. And here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree with the bot and click the green button. Indeed, in this case, it is likely that in the near future the price will move up. Guys, that is, the resistance level will be broken. It is on this upward movement that we will now try to make money. I hope that 5 minutes here will be enough for us this time. Well, now let's watch the price and wait for the end of our deal. So guys, as you can see, the price still continued to move up. In fact, the resistance level was still broken and we got the profit. The bot turned out to be right again. It correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Guys, as you can see, the bot signals combined with technical analysis work well, and I suggest that we continue our trading session. Alright, we have a resistance level up here. We also see that after the pullback, confident green candles began to form. The price has reached this level and it is likely that this level will be fully broken in the near future. Therefore, now we will go to the Telegram channel to the bot and click get a signal button. We find the currency pair we need and click on it. Here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree with the bot and press the green button. Guys, indeed, in this situation, it is likely that this level will be breached. After all, we see that the price here has a good potential to increase. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough, even considering a possible consolidation or pullback. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, as you can see, the price really continued to move up and the resistance level was broken. Also, after the breakout, the price fell into the correction zone, but the most important thing is that we have managed to make money on this particular upward movement. At the same time, 5 minutes was just enough for us, guys. Let's continue our trading session. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. Guys, after touching the level, red candlesticks formed, and now we see that after the pullback, green candlesticks begin to form again. Also, at the same time, the main price lows are getting higher, and this means that it is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. It is also possible that this level will be breached. Now let's go to the Telegram channel, to the bot, and click get a signal button. Then we'll find the currency pair we need and click on it, and we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree with the bot and click the green button. The price here really has a good potential to go up. We will try to make money on this possible upward movement as well as breaking through the level. Guys, I hope that in this case 5 minutes will be totally enough for us. Also, taking into account that possible consolidation or pullback down can happen. Well, now let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move in the consolidation zone, and although the resistance level hasn't yet been broken, we still managed to make money on this upward movement. In fact, the bot was right again. The most important thing here is that we managed to make money here. Let's continue our trading session, guys. So here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also resistance level at the top. Guys, at the same time, we can see that there was a downward pullback from the level, and after the pullback, the price turned around and approached our level again. At the same time, we see that the main price lows are getting higher. It is likely that the level will be breached. So now let's make a request from the bot, get a signal button, then we find the currency pair we need and click on it. Here the bot offers us to open a deal to go up. Okay, I agree with the bot and click the green button. The price here really had a good potential to increase, and of course it is likely that the movement towards the level will be continued. And I hope that in this case 5 minutes will be totally enough for us. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, unfortunately there has been a pullback from this level, and here we got a loss. I won't even re-record this video, guys. Let's just continue and see what happens next. But what I want to tell you guys, that it's not how many times you are losing, it's actually how many times you win and you earn money. Alright guys, here we see that we have a resistance level. We also see that after breaking through the level, after a small consolidation zone, green candlesticks begin to form again. It is quite possible that after breaking through the level, the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. Now let's make a request from the bot. Click get a signal button, guys. We will find and click on the currency pair we need. Here we are offered to open a deal for going up. Okay guys, let's agree with the bot and click the green button. We'll now try to make money on this possible upward movement. I hope that 5 minutes here will be quite enough for us, guys, and let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's not bad. As you can see, the price really continued to move up and we got the profit here. In fact, the bot turned out to be right. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. Guys, as you can see, trading situations worked out well. And thanks to this transaction, guys, I was able to return the lost money and earn. Well, that's how I use the system of doubling transactions after each negative transaction I get. So guys, we have a level support down here. We also see that a downtrend is forming at the moment. The price is moving down and approaching our level. I think that downward movement will continue in the near future. As the price here has a good downward potential, guys, it is also quite possible that this level will be breached. So now let's make a request from the bot, and guys, let's click get a signal button. Now let's find the currency pair we need in the bots list. Click on it, guys, and we will get the following instructions. So here we are offered to open a short-term deal. Well, I agree with the bot and click the red button. Indeed, guys, in this situation it is likely that the downward movement will be continued. I think that 5 minutes in this case will also be quite enough, even taking into account the possible consolidation or pullback up, because guys, as you understand, of course there may be a reaction from the support level, there may be an upward pullback, but I think that taking into account all these possible movements, the time will be enough. Let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Well, as you can see, guys, unfortunately there really was a pullback from the level, but we didn't have enough for 5 minutes. So here we got the drawdown. Unfortunately, the bot made a mistake again. Our technical analysis also failed, but guys, in any case, let's not get upset. As you can see, sometimes such situation can happen. Anyway, guys, I still have funds on my deposit. So guys, here we see that a good confident uptrend is forming at the moment. There is also resistance level at the top. It is likely that in the near future the price will continue to move directly towards the resistance level, as the price has a great potential to increase here. Click get a signal button. Now we will find the currency pair we need in the bots list and click on it, and we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree with the bot and click the green button. We will now try to make money on this possible upward movement to bring the price closer to the level. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough for us in this case, guys. At least we can see that the price has been moving slowly but confidently. Guys, I hope that 5 minutes here will be totally enough for us. So let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, it's not bad. After a small consolidation zone, the upward movement continued and we got the profit here. The most important thing is that we were able to earn, guys, on this upward movement. At the same time, 5 minutes was just enough for us, and I suggest we continue our trading situation, guys. So we have a level of support down here. At the same time, we can see that there is a fairly confident downtrend at the moment. At the same time, we also see that there is still space to reach the support level, and it is likely that the downtrend will be continued to move towards the level in the near future. We'll see that the price here has a good downward potential, so let's go to the Telegram channel, to the bot, and click get a signal button. Then we'll find the currency pair we need in the bots list and click on it. Here we are offered to open a deal to go down. Well, I agree with the bot and click on the red button. Guys, it is on this possible downward movement that we will try to make money here, and let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Alright, the price has really continued to move towards the support level, and here we got a profit. At the same time, 5 minutes was just enough for us, guys. I have managed to earn money by bringing the price closer to the level. And as you can see, the bot turned out to be right, and it suggested us a good signal. So guys, as you can see, I already have $6,618 on my deposit, so I propose to finish our trading session. That's the kind of trading day I had. I completely lost everything I had on my deposit. It was right in front of your eyes. But guys, I didn't lose my mind. I just followed my strategy. And as you can see, I was able to make more than $6,000. As I promised, I will leave the link to this chatbot down below in the description box in case you are interested to try. Also, guys, don't forget that it's super crucial to use the hints of this bot only as confirmation of your own technical analysis. This way, you will be able to increase your profit. Go through the simple registration and start to use the signals from this bot even today. Also, guys, here are my giveaway winners. Let's congrats them. I still continue to give my followers $100. If you want to be the next one, follow 3 simple steps. First, subscribe to my channel. Second, like my latest videos, which is 3 latest videos. Also guys, leave a comment down below under this video. The comment should be meaningful and more than 5 words. I wish you to have profitable deals on your own in case you are going to use this chatbot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!